You live on Earth, a huge mass traveling through space that orbits the Sun. But what is the layer of Earth you are on right now called? And do you know what all the layers that form our planet are called? Earth has distinctive layers within it. Let's start with the outermost and thinnest layer, the crust. There are two parts to the crust, one being the oceanic crust, which the ocean sits on and is around 5 to 8 kilometers deep. It is mainly made of basalt, which is a type of igneous or volcanic rock. The other part is the continental crust, which is what we live on. This varies from around 8 kilometers to 70 kilometers and is largely made of another igneous rock called granite. The next layer is the mantle, mainly composed of silicate rock and minerals. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick, which makes it the thickest layer of Earth, also making up 85% of the Earth's total weight. This again can be split into two distinct layers, the upper and lower mantle. The outer part of the upper mantle is like the crust, but much cooler and rigid. The crust and outer upper mantle together is called the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into large pieces, which make up Earth's tectonic plates. These plates sit on the inner part of the upper mantle called the asthenosphere. The rock here is softer and partially molten as temperatures rise to 3,000 degrees Celsius. The lower mantle is just as hot as the upper, the rocks being hot enough to melt but remains solid due to the pressure being pushed down on it. The lower mantle is slowly moving due to convection currents, which is when deeper, hotter material rises, then cools and sinks again. This is what is thought to move the Earth's tectonic plates, shaping Earth's continents as we know them today. The outer core is the layer surrounding the inner core. It is approximately 2,400 kilometers thick, mostly made up of liquid iron and nickel at a temperature between 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. The flow of the liquid here is what creates Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is the hottest part of the Earth, with temperatures between 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. That is as hot as the surface of the Sun. It is roughly 1,400 kilometers thick and is also primarily iron and nickel. The air pressure here is 3 million times that of sea level, which causes the core to become solid metal. The deepest humans have ever explored is the Kola Super Deep Borehole, which was a Soviet Union scientific drilling project between 1970 and 1994 that drilled a mere 9-inch wide hole 12 kilometers deep into the Earth. One of the most exciting findings was that of microscopic fossils found in rocks nearly 7 kilometers deep that were 2 billion years old. Very little research has been done about the layers below our feet. Just imagine what else might be down there.